Are you currently using project management tools like Jira and spending too much time inviting team members because of confusing roles and permissions? With Klarevoyant, it only takes a minute to add your team and start collaborating. Here, you can easily invite your team to the entire workspace, a specific project or multiple projects at once. Klarevoyant also keeps user roles simple, meaningful, and straightforward. At the workspace level, you can be a workspace administrator or workspace user, while individual projects have project administrators and project members. To invite someone to your workspace, simply click on Invite People, enter their email address, select their workspace role, and send the invitation. They'll receive the invite via email and can accept it to join your workspace. Just make sure they log in to Klarevoyant using the same email address the invitation was sent to, and they're ready to start collaborating. For inviting team members to a specific project, simply go to User Settings within the project, click Add People, enter their email address, assign them a project role, and send the invitation. And like many other project management tools, Klarevoyant easily lets you add the same person to multiple different projects, making it easier for your team to collaborate wherever they're needed. Register today to start your free trial. Visit clarevoyant.com and become a part of the Klarevoyant family today.